Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2020 Chevrolet Corvette 2LT Z51 in accelerated yellow on adrenaline red and black leather interior. So we'll just start over at the back of the vehicle, let you have a look. I've got the targa top here removed, placed in the rear of the vehicle. As you can see, it is color matched to the vehicle. We've got the mid-engine here, so that's placed just in front of the trunk or cargo area. It is a V8 6.2 liter motor. It is 495 horsepower in the Z51, and that's paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. With the Z51, you get the Z51 performance handling suspension, Z51 brakes, and the Z51 spoiler, which is right here as well. And I'll go ahead, we'll close this up. So it's got the carbon flash metallic badge package, so that's done in carbon flash, as well as the Corvette logo here. I'll just step back a bit. We've got LED tail lights on it. We've got a reverse camera that's just above the license plate. This also has the screen on the mirror, so rear view mirror camera, so that's the camera there, which I'll show you when we get inside. We've got the performance exhaust, so it's got quad tips, so there's 2 tips here and 2 tips on this side here as well. We've got the carbon flash metallic accents, so the lower half of the bumper is done in carbon flash, as well as some of the accents around the gloss there, as well as this piece over here. So we'll have a look. Here's your rear wheel. So nice silver wheels. We've got red painted Z51 calipers and nice Michelin tires on there. Over at the passenger side, we've got black leather or black door card here. We've got the red leather insert there, the red baseball or deviated stitching that goes along. We've got the Bose Performance series stereo, and we've got memory seats for the passenger. So 2 user memory and an exit button. We've got our power locks down below, electronic door release, and our power windows. Here's the kick plate on the passenger side. As you can see, it's in great shape. The car is nearly new. I believe it has 11 kilometers on it. So let's have a seat here, have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. We'll have a look in the glove box. To open the glove box, I'll just have to turn on the ignition here. There we are. So we've got the books. They're all new. It's still got the tag there on it. As you can see, we've got the red deviated stitching that runs along the dash. We've got the 2-tone color that runs up. Very cool. So we'll just hop out and we'll close this side up. We've got the carbon flash metallic arm for the mirror. We've got the blind spot or bliss. So that will signal to you if someone's in your blind spot. And we'll just have, I'm just gonna step back and we'll scan down this side of the car so you can see the condition. Looks great. And here's your front wheel. So again, it's in really good shape. We've got red painted calipers and nice Michelin tires on there. So we'll head around the front. Here's the front trunk or frunk. It's got an emergency release, a 12-volt socket here. We've got all the goodies, so I believe there are brake coolers and a different front license plate mount that comes with it. As you can see, it's nice and neat and tidy. We've got our windshield washer fluid there, and we'll go ahead, we'll close this up. There it is. And there's your Corvette badge on the front. We've got LED daytime running lights, LED headlights. We've got the curb view cameras, so there's one of them there, and there's another one here on this side. Have a look at the condition. So I'll just scan around the front splitter there. It's in really good shape. No marks, no issues. We'll have a look at the hood. So there is no marks on this. That's perfect. So we'll just run around this side. Here's your other front wheel, so it's in great shape. Red painted calipers, the Z51 logo, Michelin tires, and same thing back here. That's great. So over at the driver's side, again, we've got that Bose Performance series stereo, which is 14 speakers. We've got the memory seats for the driver. We've got the power mirrors, power folding mirrors, power windows, nice brushed aluminum insert. We've got our power locks, electronic door release, and again, a nice deviated stitching that runs along the door panel. Here's your Stingray kick plate on the driver's side. As you can see, it's in great shape. Looks good. We've got power seats, so power fore, aft, up, down, power recline, power lumbar, side bolster adjustment as well. And I'll just scan up the seats so you can see the condition. Looks great. And I didn't do that on the passenger side, so I'll just take the opportunity and do that here. So we'll just scan up that seat as well. Looks great. It's got the nice GT1 seats. And as I get in on this side, just have a look at the door frame, nice and clean. And we'll get in, we'll fire this one up. There we go. So in terms of kilometers, again, we've got 11 kilometers, no warning lights, no issues on the dash, everything looks great. On the steering wheel here, we've got our cruise control, we've got our performance button, so we'll press that. That opens and closes dampers on the exhaust and changes some tuning of the vehicle. So we'll turn that off for now. Down here, we've got our favorites, or track change. On this side, we've got our volume controls. We've got the nice red deviated stitching that runs along the steering wheel with the center point up the top. We've got our arrow keys here, which work the screen. So we've got different options there that you can control. So that's perfect. That's all there. We've got telephone controls, Bluetooth controls, heated steering wheel. That's all controlled there. Over on this side, you've got your heads-up display. So I'll just turn off the headlights for a moment, have a look. So there's your speed displayed on the screen, and you can move the location of it, and you can change what's displayed there as well. So that's cool. And then down below, we've got our dimmer switch. We've got our electronic parking brake. And then just up in here, there it is there. So this button is your power tilt and telescopic for your steering wheel. We'll turn the headlights back on. There's your headlight control on the stock. And then on this side here, we've got a wiper control, and then we have our paddle shifters plus and minus there. Over in this corner here, we've got our push button start, and then we've got our screen. So you've got audio, so we'll click on that for a moment. You've got AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth streaming. We'll go back home, we've got telephone control. We've got full factory navigation. So there's your factory nav. Go home again. You've got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. We can swipe over. We've got PDR. So here's your performance data recorder. So we'll click OK. That's what that looks like. And you've got different settings and controls in there. So that's cool. Go back home. We've got cameras. So there's your front curve view cameras. If I put it in reverse, like so, there's your backup camera. We can put the lines on it as well if you like the lines, or you can turn those off. So I'll put it back into park, and then you've got reverse, neutral, drive, and manual mode down here. Traction control on and off. There's a quick button to turn the front cameras on. Mode selector. So what we do is we go like this, and then up here we get my mode, weather, you get I think I gotta go back the other way. So my mode, touring, sport, or performance. So that's perfect. And then up here we've got all our temperature controls. So we've got this is the driver's temp here. So you can set it to 23. I've got it synced. So the bottom one down here is synced with the top one up there. But you can just turn that off, and then this one can be set to, let's say, 25, and that one's at 23. We've got heated seats, cooled seats, the sync we talked about, auto climate control. You can select which vent the air is coming out of, the fan control on off, AC, recirculate, your defrost, your rear defrost, passenger heated and cooled seats. And then we've got our cup holder, we've got the key, it's brand new and still in the bag. We've got a second key as well. And then we've got the wheel lock here as well. So that's great. And then in the center here, I'll fold that up, we've got storage, and you've got, let's see, a USB-C, USB, auxiliary, and the SD card for the PDR. Behind that, we've got wireless charging for your phone, and there's the nice Corvette Stingray placard there as well. Up top, there's the rear view mirror camera that we talked about. So if I flick this down, it's just a regular mirror. If I flick it up, it turns on the camera. Up top, you've got your OnStar buttons, and that's all there. So we'll just hop out with the running, have a look and listen. What a beast. scan from the front so you can see with the headlights on, very sharp. And we'll just scan down this side of the car so you can see the condition. Looks great. There it is from the back, nice rumble from the exhaust. Great sound. Love this machine. And there you have it, folks. 2020 Chevrolet Corvette 2LT Z51 in accelerated yellow metallic, here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.